Alright guys, I'm out here on the turn track for the first time on my 2018 300XC. It runs pretty good, but it's detonating some. Not quite as bad as my Cowie does out here, but bad enough to concern me. Now, will I ever ride this bike in motocross? No, probably not. But I would like to do some open GPs and GNCCs where it might be thick, and I don't want it to detonate. But I also don't want to have to run race fuel. So, I don't know. Let you guys listen to it, and you'll hear it. It'll be kind of a click when it's under load or coming off load. Maybe you guys can let me know what you think about it, what I can do to fix it, besides running race gas. After that one, guys. That's so sketchy. Detonation, guys. Thing's detonating too. Yeah. Doesn't feel good. Not as bad as the Cowie, but one time it was really bad. I just don't get it, man.
I say we mix up some race gas and see what happens. All two strips.